Hello everyone, this is the LeetCode problem reordered power of 2. Starting with a positive integer n, we reorder the digits in any order, including the original order, such that the leading digit is not 0, return true, if and only if we can do this in a way such that the resulting number is a power of 2. Let's take a look at the examples. Given 1, 1 is 2 power 0, so return true. Given 10, 10 is not power of 2, and 10 cannot be reordered because leading 0 is not allowed, so return false. Given 16, 16 is 2 power 4, so return true. Given 24, 24 and 42, none of them are power of 2, so return false. Given 46, reorder it to 64, which is 2 power 6, return true. N is up to 10 power 9, so brute force solution like find all the possible reordered integers, then check if it's a power of 2 will cause TLE. Actually, power of 2 from 1 up to 10 power 9 are not that many. We can find all of them, convert each one to string, and sort each one by ascending order. Then check if the sorted input is one of them. If yes, return true, otherwise return false. Let's take a look at the code. First, create a set for power of 2 numbers between 1 up to 10 power 9. For this problem, there are only 30 numbers. List is good enough, but in general, set is better, because check if an element is inside the set is a 1. Start from 2 power 0, which is 1. Convert each of these numbers into a string. Then sort. Sorted string return a list instead of string, so we need to use a join to convert it into the string. Then double the number. Once all the numbers are generated, check if the sorted given input is inside this set. Thank you for watching.